Hello everyone, today we will take you into the manufacturing process of the incubator and turntable. First, the first step is to design the PROE prototype. Through 3D modeling, you can see the design drawings of our single-axis rotary table and 3-axis incubator rotary table. These lay the foundation for subsequent processing and manufacturing. The second step is manufacturing. We manufacture components strictly according to the design drawings and gradually complete the assembly of the temperature chamber and turntable. Each process is rigorously controlled to ensure the stability and accuracy of the equipment. In the third step, engineers will install pipes and lines. This seemingly simple step, but it determines the stable operation of the incubator's temperature control system and the turntable's drive performance. Then we enter the testing phase. You can see our engineers conducting comprehensive performance checks to ensure the incubator and turntable operate stably under various environmental conditions. Finally, after a complete process of design, manufacturing, installation, and testing, we present you with the final product. This is more than just a piece of equipment. It embodies the expertise and ingenuity of our team in R&D and manufacturing. For more details, please visit the official website .memsmag.com.